Let's learn square numbers from 1 squared to 10 squared. Hi everyone, today let's check out square numbers from 1 to 100. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, and 100. Now join me and let's learn squared numbers. Are you ready? Let's go! 1 squared or 1 times 1 is equals to 1. 4 is a square, or 2 times 2 is equals to 4. 9 is 3 squared, or 3 times 3 is equals to 9. 16 is 4 squared, or 4 times 4 is equals to 16. 25 is 5 squared, or 5 times 5 is equals to 25. 'Next is 36, 6 squared, or 6 times 6 is equals to 36. 49, 7 squared, or 7 times 7 is equals to 49. 64, 8 squared, or 8 times 8 is equals to 64. 81, or 9 squared, and it's also same as 9 times 9 is equals to 81. 10 squared, or 10 times 10 is equals to 100. 'Thank you for watching.